Hi everyone, my name is Cindy Seitz-Krug and I'd like to share with you one of the classes I will be teaching for Quilt Week in Grand Rapids this August. So it's called Fun Filler Designs, and this is the project we'll be working on in class. So it's a cute little heart that's divided up into various areas like a crazy quilt. So in class you're going to learn 6 different fun filler designs, and these designs are super easy. Here's a little stocking with a whole bunch of filler designs in it. They're very easy and extremely fun to do, and you're going to find a ton of uses for them in your quilts that are going to make your quilts so pretty and so special. So I hope you will join me in August for fun fillers and background designs.